Hello and welcome back to my channel, everyone. I had a great success at the doll show and I put that video up, and a few surprises. I did get something here that I'm gonna be opening for you guys, and this is from one of the vendors at the show, and her name is Paula. So let's begin. Oh, lovely purple tissue paper. Very pretty. I did get some other little mini things as well, but I'm going to do that in another video. Oh my goodness. What is it? Oh. Oh my goodness. Look how nicely wrapped up she is. Oh, I can't wait. Tight knot here. Yeah, we had a great turnout at the show. Selling was good. It went very well. Okay. Let's start off with this. Okay. Very nice. It's all taped up. I'm not going to open it. It's all taped up in there. Got the birth certificate and everything. Oh my goodness. Look at the blanket. Oh, it's so soft. Oh, look at. And it's all pinned with little cloth diaper pins. That's cute. That's really cute. And there's two here. There were so many beautiful babies there. Oh, yeah, just gorgeous. But I think I'm going, after this one, I'm going to save money for a silicone doll, and one of these days I'll get to the Rose Doll show. But until then, oh, there's another one, 3 pins. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, look. Look what she's wearing. Oh, this beautiful dress. Oh my goodness. Look at the baby booties. Oh my. I'm just so excited. Look. Oh my goodness. She's so delicate and tiny. Look at the hands. Now, I believe she was made by an artist in the UK. Shall we take this off of her? Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at that sweet face. Oh, she's beautiful. She is gorgeous. Oh, and look at the detail on this. Look at the little bow and the pearl. Oh, she's gorgeous. Hello, sweetheart. Look. Oh my. She's just gorgeous. Wow. Look at that. Oh, sweetheart. I'm going to take her bonnet off. I want to see what her hair is like. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this. It's a gorgeous paint job too for the hair. Look. Look at the hair. She is beautiful. Oh my. Hey, sweetheart. Yeah. And look at the little dress. I'll just pull her up close here. Look at the little dress she's wearing. So I just noticed she does have her ears pierced. And she is baby Twyla. And she is by Laura Eagles. And she is just beautiful. Oh my goodness. Let's just see here. And she's got like little bloomers underneath. Oh my goodness, she's so tiny. See if I can show you here. The little pants. Maybe I'll just lift this up. Look at the little pants. Isn't that adorable? Oh my goodness, let's take a look at her feet. Oh, look at that. Come here. Look at her feet. Oh, she is adorable. Hey. Look at you, sweetie. Let's show everybody. Oh, isn't she precious? Oh my goodness, look at her. Oh, she's just beautiful. Oh, I'm so pleased with her. Let's see. It's just gorgeous. I can't believe the painting job on her. Like, wow, I'm impressed. Look at her hands. Oh, she's just gorgeous. I just can't believe how gorgeous she is. Oh my. I'm one happy mommy. Yeah. I can't wait to get my office room all sorted out. I have a lot of boxes from Miniverse and so forth in there and wedding stuff. So once I get that cleaned out, I'm setting up the crib and have the canopy for it. And then I'll put all my babies in there. What should I name her? What does she look like to you? Oh, sweetheart. Yeah. Well, put down in the comments what you think I should name her. And she looks like maybe a rose. Rose, maybe? I don't know. Oh, I'm just so pleased. I can't believe this. Like, this is gorgeous. Like, all this lace on this dress is just stunning. Just gorgeous. She's beautiful. Well, that was my little, well, I should say big surprise. And I will come back with, in the next video, all the little mini things I bought at the doll show. And a lot of good artists there. I love miniatures, and I purchased some little mini things that were just adorable. So, well, thank you all for watching. Oh my goodness. She is just gorgeous. Oh, I'm so happy. Until next time, bye for now.